Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today I'll be discussing on the topic Natural Law School of Jurisprudence. So natural law thinking is found to be prevalent from the ancient times itself, and according to some of the jurists, natural law is the divine law. Now what is divine law? Divine law is the God-made law, and it consists of all the directions of the Almighty, and it is also known as the sacred law. An example is Buddha's teachings. And secondly, according to some of the jurists, natural law is the law of reasoning. According to some of the jurists, natural law is is a law made by the supreme authority. According to some of the jurists, natural law is the supreme law, and according to some of the jurists, natural law is not made by worldly authority or sovereign authority. Natural law is opposed to written law. Now what is written law? Written law is considered to be arbitrary. Now let us discuss about the stages of development of natural law. So the various stages of development of natural law can be discussed under the following periods. Number 1, Greek period. Number 2, Roman period. Number 3, Christian period. Number 4, medieval period. And number 5, modern period. Let us discuss all these 5 periods one by one. Number 1 is Greek period. So natural law was originated in the Greek period. The Greeks considered natural law to be above all the other laws. Number 2, Roman period. The Romans accepted views of the Greeks, and the Romans classified the law into 3 categories. Now let us see what are these categories. Number 1, jus civili. Number 2, jus gentium. Number 3, jus naturali. Now let us see what are these. What does these terms mean? Jus civili means civil law. Jus gentium means positive law, and jus naturali means natural law. All the other laws are found to arise from jus naturali. Now let us discuss about the third period, that is Christian period. There was a tremendous development of natural law in the Christian period because of the development of the church. Now the fourth period, that is the medieval period. The medieval period, according to Saint Thomas Aquinas, there is a definite relationship between Christianity and natural law. Now comes the last period, that is the modern period. In the modern period, natural law developed due to Renaissance and Reformation. In the modern period, natural law developed due to progress in art and culture. Now let us discuss about the next topic, that is natural law in England, America and India. The development or the influence of natural law is limited in England. However, there are certain principles incorporated in England on the basis of natural law. The influence of natural law is tremendous in America. The American War of Independence is based on natural law. Also, the American due process of law is based on natural law. Now comes India. The influence of natural law in India was tremendous. Let us discuss how. The principle of natural justice is based on natural law. Now what is principle of natural justice? You all have any idea? So this is what India is doing. The principle of natural justice means to hear both the parties and to give opportunities to both the parties to argue for themselves, to prove their innocence. Equity, justice and good conscience is based on natural law, and there is no law on a particular matter then it must be decided on the basis of equity, justice and good conscience. The Constitution of India has incorporated the principles of natural law under the following articles. Number 1, Article 15 Clause 4, Article 20 Clause 2, Article 20 Clause 3 and Article 311, etc. And with this, I would like to end today's video. Hope you learned from it. And for more such legal topics, legal discussion, stay tuned at LexCliq. Thank you for watching. Stay home and stay safe.